Have you ever felt like you were in a loop, trying to motivate a team, feeling uninspired and overworked? Let me tell you a story about Ian, an office manager like you. Ian was at her wits' end trying to reinvigorate a hardworking team that felt anything but appreciated. The constant demands of the responsibilities left little room for recognition and moral boosters. One day, while discussing options with our fantastic cleaning associate, Diviya, a light bulb went off. Diviya suggested a deep cleaning service with all the bells and whistles, which would ultimately reawaken the office environment. This would transform their workspace and show the team that their efforts truly mattered. The deep clean was comprehensive. We kicked it off with sanitation from ceiling to baseboards, wiping every piece of furniture and dusting even the most out-of-sight corners. We ensured nothing was missed. Mopping, trash disposal, litter pickup, and vacuuming routines were mixed in, creating a fresh atmosphere infused with essential oils. It's like condensing a month's worth of cleaning into one magical night. The results: a radiant workspace that brought pure joy. After the deep cleaning, Ian received a flood of raving reviews and heartfelt thanks from her team. Their satisfaction wasn't just a number, it was a genuine emotion born out of acknowledgment, a sentiment that said, "We see you, we appreciate you." Ian had started her journey stressed and uncertain, but ended it beaming with pride. Seeing her team feel appreciated and recognized, this transformation isn't just a cleaning service. It's about creating a space where people want to work and contribute their best daily. Moral of the story: when you invest in clean, uplifting workspaces, you see the people inside it bloom. Let's redefine your office experience. Book your estimate with us today and witness the difference.